Instead of playing with the toy, he's kicking it away and getting mad. He's already kicked it almost too far to reach it. He's so silly. He was sitting. He threw himself back, and now he's kicking his toy away. He had his toy between his legs. Isaac, what are you doing? Isaac, what are you doing? You got hiccups? You got hiccups? Kick it, puppy. Kick it. Kick it, puppy. Hey, do you have 2 different color socks on? Let me see. You do. Who did that? Who paired up your socks with 2 different ones? You got the green one and the blue one, silly. You're mad, huh? You get mad? You get mad? Sit down. Sit down, love. You get mad, love. You get mad. Good puppy. You got hiccups. You got hiccups. You got hiccups. You got hiccups. Sit down. Look. Look. Open it. All your fun toys are in there. All your toys are in there. What's inside? Oh, yes. You found them. But he'd rather play with the door. Stick your hand in there and grab your toys. Got toys in there. There you go. You see them? Yay! You took the A. Here, grab your A. Grab the A. The letter A. Yummy. It's delicious. It's delicious. And now you're banging the toy. There's something on the couch. You dropped it. Here you go, love. Here you go, love. Get it. Isaac! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Put your A. Put your A right here in that little slot. You want to put it in there or you want to eat it? Is it delicious?